This is continued documentation of my Mindwave to WS2812 LED controls using the Arduino. I'm here now to demonstrate the latest code, interface, and improvements on the system. I've got the LEDs on my chest, a bit Ironman-ish, I guess, but my apologies. It's just the easiest way to do this first shot so that I can demonstrate what's going on here. Let me reboot the system here. So in my new version, what I've done is I've worked with the Arduino code to incorporate it better into classes. I'm also using an animation effect with the red LEDs where they chase from the beginning to the end, and that animation actually hides some of the smoothing problems that I'm having. I'll keep working on that. We'll see what we get to. But let me give a quick demo in this frame of me concentrating on the red and trying to increase it. Okay, we had a little system reboot there for some reason, but I'm finding it really interesting. You see me staring at the bottom of the screen. This is the biofeedback sort of characteristic that I've noticed where I need to be looking at the thing that I want to affect change to by my concentration score or my attention score. And so I've found that looking at the LEDs to focus on them or to affect any change, and also strangely enough, if you focus and I touch the thing that I want to change, the biofeedback seems to be magnified or amplified, and I bet I'm going to find out that that is not a unique experience with this type of system, but it is very, very apparent to me. Now I'm going to switch to the other view and show you the rig. Okay, so this is the setup for our Mindwave to WS2812 configuration, the latest. What we see is, of course, the Arduino and then the breadboard. I'll walk you through this a little bit. Arduino is being powered by USB. The 2812s are being powered through a separate power supply. We have a voltage logic converter here. The dongle for the Mindwave takes 3.3. The Arduino is 5 volts, so that's helping match that voltage so there's not a conflict and I don't blow up my receiver. There's a buzzer that I can program to let me know when the headset connected, but more importantly there's an RGB LED right here that also gives me visual feedback about the connection as well as the LED on the receiving unit. Let me power up the Arduino, and you're going to see a green light, and during that green light 3-second time I'm going to switch on the headset and we should see it pair pretty quickly. So see if I can do this on camera. USB's in. I should get a 3-second warning light. Try to pair the Mindwave, and it goes blue on there on the receiver unit, blue on the Mindwave set, and blue on the visual LED. Now this is the point where I put the Mindwave on my head and connect up the electrode also to my ear, and I will power our LEDs now so that we can start taking readings. Now there's sometimes a little bit of lag with the LEDs catching up where it's starting to actually read data, and there it goes. Let me try to focus on the red and make it increase for you. Okay, so in that 10 seconds or so, you could see that I was concentrating and I'm directly looking at the LEDs at this moment. And so what it does is it makes it easier for me to send the biofeedback through intention reading and keep them at a high level of on. So another proof of concept with the Mindwave system.